Okay guys, this is I just reset my ECU and put it on Jeff's 5th tune for my car. It idles better a little bit. I noticed a rougher idle whenever I was on the stock tune. Stock tune also I misfired on. I don't know what that could be. This is BHR. I have BHR ignition system. You know, fresh reman, no cat. I mean, my reman's got less than 5,000 miles on it. It has rained today, but rained like the whole day, but it hasn't rained in the last 3 hours. So the roads are still moist, and I have an AEM, so that could be, water, but I still don't think so, because it's done that before. So, but it's the same noise that the bogging down at the higher RPMs is the same noise before my last engine went. So that's what makes me a little bit nervous. So I don't know. Right now, I'm just letting I'm letting the car relearn the trims. But I just wanted to give you a background, so that should be good. I'll go for a little drive before we open her up.